Let's solve this problem together. We have x plus 8 all to the power of 2 to be equal to 64. So from here, let's move our 64 over to the left to have x plus 8 all squared minus 64 is equal to 0. So let's recall that our 64 is the same as 8 to the power of 2. So we have x plus 8 all squared minus 8 to the power of 2 and is equal to 0. Now let's recall our difference of 2 squared. When we have a squared minus b squared, this is equal to a minus b times a plus b. So we have a difference of 2 squared here. This equation becomes x plus 8 minus 8 times x plus 8 plus 8, and it's all equal to 0. So resolving this, 8 minus 8 is 0. We have x left. We have x plus, we have 8 plus 8, which is 16, and this is equal to 0. So this simply means that our x is equal to 0 and our x plus 16 is equal to 0. So from here we have that x is equal to minus 16. So we have the first value of x and we have the second value of x. Now let's take another method to resolve this. So our question, we have x plus 8 all squared is equal to 64. Now let's start by taking the square root of both sides. To have the square root of x plus 8 all to the power of 2 is equal to plus or minus square root of 64. So from here, this will cancel out this. We are left with x plus 8 and is equal to plus or minus the square root of 64 is 8. So this simply means that we have x plus 8 is equal to 8 and x plus 8 is equal to minus 8. So from here, let's resolve this. This will give us x is equal to 8 and this 8 crossing over, we have minus 8. So we have that x is equal to 0 and that is our first value for x. And from here we have x is equal to minus 8. When this crosses over, we have minus 8. So our x is equal to negative 16. So this is the second value of x. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our solutions.